Work in progress. It's a new logo I made. Vintage collection. It's 2026 shit here, boy. I'm making sure y'all what this is doing. It's playing this ass stuff. ED. Wait till I lay this joint. What's the process? Yeah, we do everything over here. One row to close. Pay attention to this. Okay. Hold on. It's Teflon paper or sheet. This actually makes it get hotter. Peel. I always peel from the side or the back. Peel on an angle. And there it is, baby. Vintage collection by Foreign Royalty. Get at me. I manufacture. I make custom pieces. You name it, I probably can do it. And if I can't, I know somebody that can. Ooh. 2026 shit. Follow me on social media. TikTok. Mr. Foreign Royalty.